Hello beautiful and wonderful people, welcome back to Jinamon channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to follow my page and subscribe to my channel as well. In today's recipe, I'll share with you how I make my indomie, my noodles. This turned out so delicious. I made everything all in one pot. It's very easy, simple, and you are good to go. Let's get started. So first thing first, add olive oil to your saucepan. You can use any oil of your choice, but I went in for olive oil and then added in sausage. And of course, you can use any kind of meat or protein of your choice. You can even use sardine instead of the sausage. So I stir fried this for about 5 minutes and then make a space in the middle and then added in the eggs. I'll list the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So I then cooked the egg like for about 5 minutes and then it was ready. I then added in my vegetables, which is carrots, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red onion. I'll stir this together and let it cook for about 2 minutes. You do not want to overcook the veggies because we're going to cook the noodles in, so do not overcook the veggies. Let it steam for about 2 to 3 minutes and then add in the noodles. So this is very simple, it's easy, and trust me, it's so delicious. After adding the spice from the noodles, I didn't use all because at the end I added in just a little bit of Maggi sauce, so I didn't add in all the spice in the noodles. I used only half, and then I added in the pepper as well. Add in enough water, don't add in much water, just a little bit of water. You know, noodles does not take long to cook. The vapor and the little water that you added to it is going to cook it, so please don't add in much water. Let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. The vapor will help it cook, so don't worry at all. Just give it a little bit of water if needed and then it will cook. You'll be amazed, you'll be surprised. No need to stress yourself for cooking separately the noodles and then making the veggies as well. So please do this process and trust me. Thank me later in the comment section. After that 5 to 7 minutes, I added in chili flakes, Maggi sauce, and chopped parsley, which is totally optional. So guys, this is it. This is all you needed. You can use any veggies of your choice and then you can add in more veggies, or you can take out some of the veggies and use only onion and your sardine or your tuna, your canned tuna, and you're good to go. Just look at this amazing noodles, guys. Just look at the outcome. It turned out so delicious. Trust me, your kids are going to love it. Trust me, just look at it. Isn't it amazing? This is simple, it's easy. You can close your eyes and make this recipe. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. Why don't you give me a credit by giving this video a thumbs up, share, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, follow my page. Till then, bye bye.